Hi, I'm Dr. Chuck Lee with 7-Day Dental. This is our 7-Day Dental Whitening Kit. It has been very popular. We're selling a ton. And today, what I want to do is show you how to assemble it. In case when you buy it online or through our offices, when you go home, you know how to open everything up. So when you open it up, you're going to see a little light gadget that vibrates, and 4 syringes and the bite piece. So first thing you want to do is remove the light vibrating gadget. Pop the back of it off. When you pop it off, this is the hard part, popping it off. Sometimes you even need a little knife to kind of pry this gap off. And then you want to pop the battery, remove the wrap off the battery. Then you can put either this way or this way. Either way will work. The hardest part is prying this thing out. So don't get frustrated when you do that. Then you want to pop this back in. Let's see, I'm going to put it this way. Pop it back in. And see, you push on it and it works. Usually this thing will turn on and vibrate for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it will go off. You can push it again, it will go on for another 10 minutes. Then what you want to do is put the mouthpiece to attach it onto the end to the light gadget. It's very easy. It's a male-female attachment. You put it on. Then what you do, remove the syringe, break the tip of it off so that the gel can come out of it. And you want to look in the mirror and see which teeth show when you smile. Then you want to start on one end and go to the other end and put it only on the outside of it, on the top and bottom. After you put the gel on, you don't need a ton of gel. You just want to put enough so that you have some gel on it. Then what you want to do is turn this on, and you want to move it into your mouth and bite where the front side of your teeth touches this part right here. Because when it vibrates with the light, what you're actually doing is rubbing the whitening gel into your teeth. And it's getting into the dentin tubules, which is little holes on your enamel, and it will actually whiten. That's how it whitens your teeth. So after you put it on for 10 minutes, the light goes off, click it again for another 10 minutes, and usually that's all you need to do is two session of 10 minutes, and you're done. And the great thing about this is 0 sensitivity. So you're not going to have any sensitivity when you use this. And that's what everybody loves about this whitening kit, 0 sensitivity. Thank you for listening, and hope you have a great time using it, and your teeth will whiten big time.